Hey, this is me, Amrita Rao, on my very first Miss Malini interview. So you're watching me on MissMalini.com, and I'm excited. Actors, Amir Khan, Ranbir for sure. I would also love to work with Ayushmann Khurrana and Sushant. I think Ayushmann and Sushant are a great addition to the industry. They are so versatile, and although we've seen them before on television, I think the 70mm does total justice to what they are fully capacitated for. How have I managed to stay away from link-ups? By not getting into them. I feel that, of course, flaunting a partner in the or a romantic relationship in the media to the world when you're in a profession which is world famous is the easiest thing to do, and obviously it keeps you in news. It keeps you in news whether you're working, whether you're not working, whether your film is releasing, whether it's around the corner or film is releasing after a year. Your link-ups keep you in the news all the time. But I just feel that somehow, somewhere, the sanctity of that relationship gets a little perturbed, and I have never believed in that. So also I believe that, when I get into a relationship, I would like to share with everybody, obviously everybody who has been so loving and wanting to know what's happening in my life, but at the right stage of the relationship. I think that is more important. At the right stage, giving it that importance, giving it that dignity matters more to me. I don't think so. I would obviously communicate to that person and tell that person that, look, this demand is not fair, and it's not fair to impose that upon me, because it's like if I get married to somebody and if I tell that person, this is not working, you need to change your profession. It's difficult to, because my talent is acting. I can't overnight become a doctor, or I can't just say, okay, now I'm going to write books. I would obviously sit and communicate to the person saying that this is the only thing I have and I'm proud of, and you can't really take it away from me if you love me, and I'm in hope that the person will understand. A message to my fans on Miss Malini would be that it's good to be judgmental, but not all the time. And I say this because this is a platform where a lot of opinions are made minute by minute. So I would say that one thing that I have learned in the course of my life is that you gotta try your best, okay? But it is humanly and practically impossible to please everybody and have everybody say good things about you. So whenever I do something, whether it's giving my 100% to my role in a movie or even dressing for an event, I try and put all the energies that can come together to make it work and happen to the best of my ability, and then I do not bother about being judged.